Hey Shardians, this is the official airdrop checker for EVM Quest rewards. Connect your wallet to instantly view your eligibility and claimable SHM. Once you check your eligibility, verify your identity on Biomapper. Connect your wallet and click on Biomap. Agree to the terms and conditions. You'll need EHMND to continue. For this video, I'll be using Polygon to swap tokens. Once you have enough EHMND, click on Continue and follow the instructions provided on the screen. Once done, submit the transaction, and once it goes through, your biomap status should say active. Scroll down and bridge your biomap to Shardeum. Go back to the airdrop eligibility checker and click on Check Verification Status. And there you have it.